Sabrina! Huh. Yeah, work today. A little bit. What are you wearing? What are those things called? Poncho? Cinderella poncho? Oh, Little Red Riding.
Over there is her.
Oh, my Cinderella poncho. Or Red Riding Hood poncho girl. You look so cute, Sabrina.